Hey roomies, inquisitive minds want to know why Barbados was chosen for the HARP project. If you know any information, drop us a comment in the comment section.
On the southeastern coast of Barbados, the US Army, in partnership with the Canadian government, began the earth-shuddering tests of this massive artillery gun, a 36-metre-long barrel constructed by welding two 16-inch naval guns together, end to end. Loaded with over half a metric ton of black powder, the barrel needed rings of stiffening reinforcement along its length to withstand the immense pressure developed inside. Long white straightening rods needed to carefully adjust the barrel to shoot straight and true. Its white paint gave away its true purpose. This was no military gun painted in drab olive camouflage. This was a scientific instrument, a space cannon, a gun capable of launching a projectile to an altitude of 180 kilometers, nearly halfway to the orbiting altitude of the International Space Station and the altitude of the lowest orbiting satellite ever. This gun was undeniably a space gun, to this day holding the record for highest altitude projectile ever launched. The history of this bizarre science project is a fascinating story. From the advances in ballistic science needed to achieve this extraordinary feat, to the reasons Barbados, a small island in the Caribbean, was chosen for the gun's location. A tale that ends with bureaucratic sabotage and the assassination of the lead scientist. This is the story of Project HARP. The remnants of these experimental guns remain here on the beaches of Barbados, laying idle since their final launch in 1966. Rusted relics of a bygone era that you can catch a glimpse of while taking off from runway 09 at Grantley Adams International Airport. But why here? Why on this beach on the southeastern coast of Barbados? Project HARP was a joint effort from the Canadian government funding research at McGill University and the US Ballistics Research Laboratory, who were seeking more data on upper atmosphere conditions in the same decade the SR-71 made its debut